The Mcclu Chera Simmons Employees Union MCCLU today held an emergency meeting in response to a directive from the Managing Director to collect written comments from employees on the government's proposal for the plan. Speaking to the media after the meeting, President Shri Shanlang Dengdo explained that the management had invited employees to Shillong through a notice on the board. However, upon meeting with the management, the union did not receive clear information on the proposal. The union promptly convened a public meeting to discuss the issue and decided not to sign and meet the management until they receive sufficient clarity on the matter.
Daw mantakasido ngayon ay nagkajimpiting ban pensay hedo jing kendu jongi badi managing director kakabangilayo ang pensay lang da marhapo kajing kendu jongi du ngalay da executive committee bad hakan ngim simdan kan no kabinet ke banginakan bad iru dan bakajeng to tede kata kadap kolektif dihi ngalawan ngilayang bi da union teli iwei pewei borokai akan yang por angkap api press media ban penpawi yang dikajing. The
17th state